Hi, this is Mike from MPB Model Supplies. I'm going to show you how to set the option button on the Powercab and the Procab so that you can access functions above 9 from the keypad simply by using the option button. So the first thing we need to do is go into setup mode on the handset. To go into setup mode on the handset, you need to plug the cord into the bottom whilst pressing the select loco button. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, you can see that in this case the Procab has defaulted to cab address 2. We're not going to change that. So if you press the enter button, you can see whether it says yard or normal. Yard just means that it's a much slower speed and it's used for shunting. So we're going to stick with normal. We press the enter button. Ballistic track rate, again, leave that as the default. Speed button, that's if you're using the ink fast and deck fast buttons. So we're going to leave that alone. Enter the speaker on time. So when you select option 1 to turn the sound on, you can choose a delay. We're just going to go with the defaults. This is the really important one here. We're setting the program, we're programming the option key with a value, and setting the option key to 122 means that you can access the higher functions, which I'll show you in a minute. Now yours won't say 122, so at this point you key in 122 on the keypad and then you press enter. And then it takes you through the shifted keys, and just keep pressing enter until you get back to that screen there. So if you select a normal option, so for option 1, and you can hear the sound of the diesel starting up. Option 0 by default turns the lights on. You can also turn them on using the headlight function. Now if you press the option key, it gives you F10 to F19. If you press the option key again, it gives you F20 to F28. And if you press it again, it goes back to the 10s and the 19s. So it toggles between them. If you press the escape key, then that takes you to the normal functions. So there we have it. That's how you can set up your NCE Powercab or NCE Powercab to use the option function to trigger all access to all the functions. We're going to do further videos in the NCE range, including how to set up things like the mini panel and the ECB ones and the boosters. But for now, that's all, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.